If you're seeing Facebook login error code 65, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick steps you can try to fix it fast. This issue can be caused by a temporary page problem, a weak internet connection, a login session glitch, or even a browser issue. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve it in just a minute or two without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, refresh the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Sometimes Facebook just needs a simple reload to clear a temporary loading error. After refreshing, try signing in again and see if the error goes away. If that does not work, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Facebook from loading properly and trigger login errors like code 65. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, reconnecting to your network, or opening another website to confirm your connection is working. Next, log out and log in again. If your session has become stuck or outdated, signing out completely and starting a fresh login can fix the problem. Close Facebook, reopen it, and enter your login details again to see if that clears the error. Another very effective step is to try Incognito Mode. If you're using a browser, open a private or incognito window and go to Facebook there. This helps you avoid cache, cookies, and extension issues that may be interfering with the login process. If Facebook works in incognito mode, then the problem is likely related to your browser data. If the error still appears after that, you can try clearing your browser cache and cookies or switching to a different browser altogether. Sometimes the quickest fix is simply using a fresh browser session. You can also restart your device and try again, especially as the login issue started suddenly. So to recap, refresh the page with F5, check your internet connection, log out and log in again, and try incognito mode. Those 4 steps solve most Facebook login error code 65 problems quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Facebook troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.